Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. If the risk of data exposure is removed, will more companies turn to cloud computing? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Another good question. By using cloud computing, businesses can grow over time and be more flexible. Since this system has both advantages and disadvantages for each business, do you think if the data exposure problem gets solved, more companies would adapt to this method? That's an interesting one. While companies are concerned about data exposure problems, it's not stopping them from adopting cloud computing. We've been having the debate about on-premise IT. The debate about localized, server-based on-premise IT versus fully in the cloud IT is pretty much moot at this point. There are very few companies that, when given the opportunity to take their data, stored data, physically, put it up onto the cloud, are doing so. I'm just going to be honest with you. They'll buy insurance, they'll get a PR firm, and they'll mitigate any data exposure or risks that happen because the cost of that will be fully offset by getting rid of your on-premise IT and going fully to the cloud. There's always some exceptions to what I'm saying, but I would say for the most part, companies are not concerned about that because the allure of having someone else maintain your data, maintain your servers, maintain the entire infrastructure, the ability for it to scale, the ability for on-demand scaling, flexible pricing, all of those things come into play to the point where the advantages to the company, not to you the consumer perhaps, but the advantages to the company far outweigh the risks. That would be my answer. It might not be 100% right. Again, it's probably company or sector specific. Businesses, both small and large, are going to take advantage of the economy of scales that cloud-based computing have over traditional on-premise IT. Hope that answers your question. Thank you. That was a good one. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.